Alright, I'd like to show you a classic of magic here. It's got 4 coins here, okay? And I'm going to try and find a soft spot here on the table somewhere. Okay, I think it's right about here. And place one hand underneath the table, like so. Okay, now watch. I'm just going to tap here, and watch. One goes right through the table, just like that. Leaves me with 3 coins, okay? And 1 coin here. Now watch. Take the coin, place it underneath the table. Okay. Now watch. I'm just going to try and find the soft spot right about there. That leaves me with 2 coins and 2 coins. Okay. Now, so we have 2 coins in this hand. Okay, and 2 coins here. Okay, place these 2 underneath the table again. Okay, these 2 on top. Now watch very carefully. We're just going to tap, and it goes right through. So we have 3. Now we'll do this again, even if nobody asks. So we've got 3 coins here and 1 coin here. Watch very carefully. Don't blink. And place this underneath the table. The last coin, it's going to go right through. Watch. Find the soft spot, and it goes right through. Well, that one didn't go through, so we'll try that again. Watch. We'll just try and we'll try something different. We'll try and make them all come right up through. Alright, I hope you like that. This is my version of the coins through table, and there's a lot of really cool moves in here, so I'm going to teach this to you at this time. The first thing you want to do, for regular coins, you can use quarters. You could I have an idea of having the quarters, having them initial. It's a good idea because then they know you're working with the same coins, so this is an idea. I'm using 50-cent pieces here, but you could use 4 borrowed quarters and have them initial each one, so that they know they're the same ones. You start off, you're going to do a move from Bobo's Coin Magic, okay? And this is a lap. You want to have your knees together so that it's not going to fall onto the floor. You're going to show the coins, have them examined, and then when they give them back, what you're going to do is you're going to have the stack of coins like this, and you're going to separate them. Now this is so that you can drop right off your thumb. It's just like a thumb break here. This is going to drop into the lap, but it's done in everything looks very open and clean, but what you're doing is your hands kind of cross as you're looking for the soft spot just for a moment. It's just going to come to the edge of the table, and it's done under the misdirection of that. You're just going to drop that. So we'll do that again. Using the misdirection of tapping, saying I think there's a soft spot. So when your hands slightly come back, this is just going to come to here, like I said. Your hands kind of cross. That gives you the cover just to drop that really quick. But now they don't think anything's happened, because when you give them a flash of this, it just looks like a stack of coins because you bring them together and you show them like this and you throw it in the hand. So now you're going to put the hand underneath the table very slowly and fairly, showing it empty. Now you're going to move the shoulder to the table. This is so your hand can come double back and grab the coin out of your lap. Okay? So we're going to tap here, show 3. When you come up, there's the first one. Okay? Very clean. Now the next one, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the stack of 3 here. You're going to show it like this. You're going to palm the bottom one. Okay? Palm the bottom one. So this one's classic palm. And now what I do is I come over here. As I pick this one up, I'm going to just drop the one that's in palm into the lap as I pick it up. So everything looks totally clean. You can do a coin roll here. Okay? You do a coin roll, you display it, and then you place it in the hand like this. You go underneath the table very fair. Put the shoulder against the table here so they don't see you double back. You're bringing your arm back into your lap. You're bending your arm back and you're grabbing this as you tap. Okay, you're going to come back up. The next move you're going to do is you're going to pick up this one. Now you pretend to pick up this one. You're going to actually just lap it. Okay. Then it looks like you're picking up these 2. The sound of this one sounds like they both tapped, which is very interesting subtlety. So you've actually only got 1 here and 2 here. At this point in time, you're going to do a hang ping chin move. You're going to show these 2 as you pick these up. you're going to rear clip this one as you show this, as you move the hands down like this, showing 2, okay? Very clean. You're going to pick these up, show them very cleanly, go underneath the table like this. Remember, put your shoulder against the edge of the table so they don't see your hand doubling back. And then you're going to tap, okay? And you're going to come up with the 3. Now, for the last one, what you do, you take the 3, okay, and you hold them in a stack together in your hand. You go underneath the table. And I like to go way over here so it looks like you're nowhere near it. You're going to tap here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a coin roll, okay, showing this one very clean. Put it in your hand. You're going to tap around. Boom. Now this hand comes up as you show it empty. And what you're doing is you're putting this shoulder against here, and you're doubling your back, your arm like this with these 3. They're kind of spread like this. So the shoulder is here so they don't see the movement, right? You show the hand empty as you tap. Okay, this comes to here and it rests, and you're going to transfer from here to the thumb. From this hand, it's going to be like this. You're going to transfer. It's like an impasse. Okay, so you're tapping. Boom. The shoulders here so they don't see the movement. You show the hand empty. You come to here. You load it into the thumb. Okay. Now you're going to come over and you're just going to either pick it up, or I just cover it like this, and then you just go, let's try something different. And then you tap it underneath the table and make them all come up through the bottom of the table. So I hope you like that. That's a really incredible version of the coins through the table. So please like, subscribe, and share, and go to promagicart.com to get the premium tutorials. Thank you.